We have just scratched the surface with respect to what you can do with templates. And what's so neat about it is there are people all over the world creating templates just for Blogger. You can actually hire people to make templates for you, and they're very reasonably priced, under $100. But there are also places that provide free templates, and I want to show you how that is done and how neat this is. Well, first of all, let's set up our blog. I'm going to go to Customize, and I want to go to Template Edit HTML. Right here for just a minute. I'm going to show you how this works. This is really neat. Okay, we're set up. Now I want you to go to this website, and it's finalsense.com, finalsense.com. Now their header may change as time goes on, but what we're looking for is this section on free Blogger templates. So I'm going to click on that, and these are different templates that people have made for Blogger. It is just fascinating. You can see here where it says Blogger templates, 3-column templates, animated templates, animal, music, dance templates. There's just some amazing stuff here. Well, let's take a look at something, maybe just something fun. Cartoons and kids. All right, so here are some cartoon templates that these guys made. And it's kind of interesting, kind of fun, kind of different. And I'm just going to scroll down here and let's pick one. This looks like a, whoops. Here's this is kind of a mafia one. I'm going to click on that to show you what it looks like. Wow, that's kind of a scary looking one. Let's see what my blog would look like with a mafia template. I'm going to get out of there, and here's what I want you to do. And you maybe don't need to do this now. Let me just show you how it's done. I'm going to click here where it says Get It Now. So I'm going to get the code for this template. I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and here's the code right here. And I'm going to select all of this code. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Control A to select all of it, and then Control C to copy it. All right, let's go back to our blog now, and I'm going to drop all of that code right here. But before I do, you know what to do. You want to download your full template, everything we have right now. All right, there it is, and it ends in 509 XML, and I want to save it. All right, there it is. So, all right, document. Already exists. You want to replace it? Let's replace it. All right, let's close it. All right, so now my original blog that I've created, the template, is saved on my hard disk. So let's go ahead and select all of this, Control A, and I'm going to paste the other template text, the other XML document right here. Pasted it all right in there, okay? Then I'm going to say Save Template. And watch what happens here. There's going to be a couple things that happen. All right, the first thing that happens is Blogger has uploaded this new template, but it says, hey, all these widgets that you've created so far, the 3 that you have, they're going to disappear. Is that okay with you? Well, for the sake of me showing you how this works, it's fine. I'm just going to let them disappear because I'm going to go back to the other template anyway. So I'm going to confirm and save. Let's click on that button. Everything is done. Now let's view my template. This is my template on likability. Check this out. How interesting is that? Here's this little shady mafia looking character, and here is my blog in a completely different template. And what's so neat about this is you can have people make all of these templates for you. Now notice what happened. To the left, my profile showed up and the blog archive showed up because these are the 2 standard default things that show up. So if I wanted to have my labels show up again, it really is a simple thing to do. I just go in and change the labels. One other thing about these templates that's kind of interesting. Notice up here at the very top, you don't see the Blogger navbar. I have no way of clicking on New Post or Customize, etc. And one of the reasons for that is the people that make these templates hide that navigation bar. In a future video, I'll show you how that's done. But because it's not there, the only way you can get back and start working on your blog is to come down here to where that pencil is on any one of your blog posts. So let's click on that pencil. And this is the only way I can get back to this work area because, again, that header is gone right there. All right? So let me go back to template. And at this point, I'm going to go back to Edit HTML. And I want to change it back to my original template. Now, there's only one way I can do that, and that is if I had downloaded the full template before I started playing around. So let's get it back. I'm going to browse. And there's my template right there. I'm going to click on it to select it, open it, and then I'm going to click Upload. All right, take Blogger just a minute. Once I've uploaded it, I'm going to click on View My Blog. And there's my template right back. And notice what else happened. All of my page elements came back in the exact same order I wanted them. So that is one way and one website, Final Sense. And you can go on the internet. I'm sure after I've created these videos, there'll be dozens of other people that have created free and some for a small fee templates that will make your blog completely unique to anybody else in the whole world. It's a neat feature, it's fun, and as time goes on, you may very well see me on this blog on likability have a very unique and fun template that I've had built for me on my site.